to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in.
Alright, welcome to my garage. So today we're going to get the headlight wired up the chopper. So I got this off a lowbrow. It has a high beam on it with a little high beam indicator. So I'm going to do what Lane Split Boulevard did and even Professional Monkey did, and that's put the switch, the toggle switch in the headlight. So they did theirs on the side. I'm not sure where I'm going to do mine, but I'm going to get it picked out, mounted up somewhere. So pretty much just going to put you on the tripod because all it is you have to take this apart, ground it internally, and yeah, hook all the wires up internally to the switch, and it's just one wire that comes out. So I'm going to do all that, put you on tripod, and let you see. So let's get into it. And if you want to see the video for that, just look up Lane Split Boulevard headlight switch, and so like the second or third one. So yeah, anyway, let's get into it. Alright, so I finished up, got it all done. So we look back here, I originally drilled the hole here, as you saw in the video, right? But there's not enough clearance between the light coming back and the plug, so I ended up taking the spot where the wires came out originally, and I put the switch in here, and then just ran the wires out the back here. So not a big deal. You can still flip it, right? It's just further down in here, and it's even like harder to notice that there's a switch drilled in. Not a big deal. So I'm gonna throw it and slap it on the bike, and yeah, see how it works. And then the only other thing I have to do is take the ground wire, and I'm gonna ground it down here. So I'll just run it down with the like the curvature here, and then just get it ground out. So the only thing that I don't like about it is that on the inside, unlike other ones, they don't have any screws or anything. It's all like I can't remember what it's called, but or is it riveted things that are right there, you can see. So they're all riveted, there's no bolts, so you can't ground it to the inside of the headlight, which is kind of a bummer. So but yeah, we'll get it mounted up. Alright, so there it is. I got it just on there. I set the wire it up, but yeah, so it's good, classic round, you know, ain't much to say except it has high low beam on it. So I'll show you a little close up. Here it is right here, the switch, wires coming out. Still gotta wire it up like I just said, but yeah, it doesn't look too bad. So right now it's off, on, and then high. So yeah, looking at it from sitting behind right there, and then you just reach forward and just click on the headlight. Yeah, just a quick video showing the replacement headlight. Decided I'd do the toggle switch inside of the housing, and yeah, so I'll just keep going. I'm wiring it up. I'm gonna change up a few things, so I'll kind of show you what my plan is. Plan on moving the blinkers right here, so I'll drill holes in this fabricated plate I made for the speedometer, and then run all the wiring right back here, and that way it's all consolidated, and then just run a singular thing down the frame instead of this kind of mess that I got going on. But that's the plan. So until then, I'll just keep cleaning up the wiring while the engine's at the shop. So yeah, the update on that is that the cylinders and the heads were sent off to get, and the flywheel were sent off to get machined, and all the parts were ordered and everything like that for it. So basically it's going to be reassembly once the guy gets everything back. So yeah, but if you want to see that and anything else related to this chopper, check out the playlist for it. If you want to see anything from my other bikes, got a Street Glide, Heritage Classic, I even did some work on my mom's Dyna, go check out the channel. So yeah, with that being said, see y'all on the next one.